Hi and welcome to my PlayHouse, and thank you very much for 50,000 subscribers. 50,000 subscribers. That's halfway to 100, so subscribe now. I always celebrate good round numbers, and 50,000 subscribers is definitely something to celebrate. So I have a bottle of SD right here on my little table that I am gonna be opening and hopefully not shoot down the lamp, which yeah, I haven't changed it since last time. We also had a good look at that at 40,000 subscribers because I was afraid of hitting it, but I just watched that video and the cap of the bottle just blah, so no problem there. But might as well open this because yeah, we are gonna celebrate this. I'm a little bit premature. I haven't hit it yet, but I expect that I will within a few hours. So I think it's safe to film the video about hitting it. So yeah, let's see. Don't hit the lamp, but let's see if we can't make it pop this time. It's not a good bottle for that. Come on. Oh yeah, that was a good one. Cool. So yeah, I have these very fancy champagne glasses. Now that I've moved here to my PlayHouse, I suddenly have my my good stuff. Don't remember if I had this glass last time. I might have brought it here just to do this. I do try to plan ahead, stuff like this. I released a video just this Sunday because I found an old video that I did back in 2010. I thought that I was going to be starting YouTube at that point, so I filmed that, and then I never got to edit it. I tried to install Adobe Premiere and edit it that way, and importing the files and using Adobe Premiere meant that I didn't get to start YouTube back in 2010, which is a bloody shame because 2010 to 2014 was some golden years for YouTubers. If you see some of the YouTubers that's really popular today, they started back then, maybe even before that, but many of them had their golden years right around there, and I should have used that opportunity. Let's taste this. Cheers, and thank you very much for 50,000 subscribers. Yep. And don't worry, I'm gonna drink all of it. Let's see. Last time I saw that it was, oh, this is the same one. It's 7.5% of alcohol. So it's not that strong. But where did that let go? Oh, never mind. So I'm gonna be having a treasure hunt giveaway. And just like when I did 40,000 subscriber giveaway, I'm gonna move the video about explaining how this is done over to DIYTube, because YouTube has some bad restrictions on what you can do on YouTube, and competitions like giveaways and giving stuff away, and yeah, they are very strict about that. So I don't want it to be on here, but I do want to show you what you can win if you go over there, and I'll make sure to leave a link in the description to that video, and on that video I'm gonna explain how this works. And if you've been here before and done this before, it's gonna be very, 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 very similar. So what we are gonna be giving away, or I'm gonna be giving away, is some server RAM. There are gonna be 3 prizes, just like at 40,000 subscribers. Third prize is gonna be 2 blocks of RAM. Second prize is gonna be 4 blocks of RAM. And first prize is gonna be 8 blocks of RAM. Is there 8 there? There is 8 there. And these are server RAM. Let's see, it's probably not gonna be able to focus on that with me in it. They are 16 gigabyte blocks, DDR3 ECC RAM, and they work very well in my Lenovo servers, the X3650, M2, M3, M4, 3550, same models, and I would also expect that they will work very well in Dell and Hewlett-Packard servers like the R710 and the DL380 generation 6, 7, 8-ish I'm expecting. That's the RAM that I'm gonna be giving away in that contest, and I will try and ship it to wherever in the world you are. That's always a challenge. So, and if you win, I'm very happy to get a photo email back when you have received the package, because I usually post that on Twitter. So if you don't follow me at Twitter, go follow me at Twitter as well. Twitter is really good for me when I communicate with these different companies, especially Lenovo are on Twitter, and I communicate with those. And yeah, numbers matter. So if you have a few hundred Twitter followers, you really need a few thousand Twitter followers to well, be serious. So and I am almost at 1100. So thank you for all of the people that are following me on Twitter. It actually matters a lot when I communicate with these companies and they see that I have some kind of a following over there, and then go over to YouTube and see that I also have a big following over here. So and that helps to get products to review and well, a decent service. Also this DIYTube, where we did this first time at 40,000 subscribers, and back then I asked you to join me over at DIYTube so that I could become the biggest channel, and that happened. I have been the biggest channel on DIYTube since my 40,000 subscriber giveaway video. So thank you very much for that. That has been so much fun. So everybody that goes over there to join in on the treasure hunt giveaway, please remember to follow me on DIYTube so I can maintain and still be the biggest channel on that tiny site over there. That means a lot to me. So thank you very much for doing that. I have to keep drinking here. One thing that didn't work, and I just watched my 40,000 subscriber giveaway video so that I knew what I said last time. And one thing I laughed about was that I tried to get your sister, you know who you are, to see my video so that I could get more female viewers and maybe a date. That didn't happen. So you know who you are. You didn't do a good enough job to persuade your sister. Do better. Yeah, it's probably not gonna work this time either, but yeah, this channel is really highly populated by men. Even though I've seen an increase in female viewers, it used to be 2.3% female viewers. Now I've climbed up to about 5%. And I joked on Twitter about that I would have to do my nails and maybe do some beauty stuff and care about how I look. I do care about how I look sometimes. But I also had the privilege to go and visit a female high-end enterprise server equipment collector in a neighboring city just last week. And I actually posted photos of her setup on Twitter. Only woman I've ever known and met that has 2 racks full of server equipment, just like me. That was really amazing to see that. I didn't know that existed, and I don't expect there is many of those. And on some levels she was further into server equipment than me, and that was really amazing to see that. So yeah, another reason to follow me on Twitter. There are photos, but well, she was shy, so it's only her server equipment that is on the photos. But yeah, maybe someday she will be unshy and we can go and meet her. Since last time I've moved here to my playhouse, so from only being here in the weekend, I am now here every day. That doesn't mean that I'm gonna be making more videos. It just means that I have some more time to actually work on my old house, and well, at some point it might mean more videos, but right now it means Morten has some free time, which Morten hasn't had since, well, almost 5 years since I started YouTube, and until January, when I started a new schedule where I went from 3 videos a week to 2 videos a week. So now we are doing a video Tuesday and Friday, and sometimes an extra video during the weekend if Morten has done something stupid that he wants to share with you guys. But it means that I actually have some free time to actually watch some Netflix once in a while. I've actually watched movies lately, a couple. Not many, but a couple. I used to have lots of free time to do this, and then I started YouTube, and then that has just taken over. So I've gone down in number of videos to actually be able to and do other stuff than film myself and edit myself. Well, it takes some amount of time to film this, and then I go back and I cut out all the crap that I said, because I say a lot of crap. And oh, at that point I would like to say a special thank you to Cor, who is in the Netherlands and has been helping me edit some of my videos. I think he has been doing that for a couple of years now, and he has been doing an amazing job. Thank you very much to Cor for helping me edit videos. It has been a great help. When Cor has edited one of my videos, the editing time goes from like 4 hours and down to about an hour. I always go through it and see if everything is as I want it, and lately the videos I haven't had to do much because Cor has approved over these 2 years as well, so, or I'm just not as picky as I used to be, I don't know, one of the two. So thank you very much to Cor for helping me edit my videos. Awesome work out there, Cor, thank you. Yeah, all of this talk means that I need some more to drink. I would also like to say thank you very much to all my Patreon supporters who has joined me over at Patreon and pays this tiny little amount to support the channel. The idea is for $1 a month you can be on Patreon, and I try to post some small things for that tier level at $1 a month. Sometimes there's an extra behind the scene video that you get for $1 a month, like when I moved. There were some extra videos showing that I was moving and boxing and my apartment and everything was boxes and cleaning and chaos. And $1 a month is a lot more support than just watching on YouTube, and it pays for a lot of stuff. I kind of use all the money from Patreon to buy stuff for my data center and to do videos about. A lot of this stuff is rather expensive. I might have a really nice and awesome graphics card here that is, it looks really cool, and it only cost 100 euros. And this stupid cable might be another 20 euros, and well, it doesn't look as great. Oh, I paid 20 euros for this. So all the support I get on Patreon, I use that to buy stuff for the videos. I have another tier that is the $3 tier per month, and for that $3 I do an extra video telling my $3 patrons. Is that our thing? I guess so. It is now. $3 patrons. I do an extra video every Sunday where I take my mobile phone and I walk around and I tell them what I did this weekend. And it's everything from what videos did I do in the data center, what have I done with the building of the house, how is the robot lawnmower. It's a 4 to 7 minute long video there where I just go around and talk. So often patrons knows what videos will be coming during the next week. I try to be a little bit more open there because, well, they are paying the bills. So check out Patreon. Maybe I would like that. maybe you would like that too. So it's another opportunity, and I do also reply to all Patreon comments over there, and it's actually a bit easier to have a conversation than it is on YouTube. The comment section on YouTube is a little bit hard for me. I get a post every time someone makes a new comment, and I always reply to those, but if you then reply to my comment, well, it's a hassle. I do some of them, but when I post a new video and there's a lot of comments, I don't get to reply to replies. So I do that on Patreon if you go over there. But I think that for once we'll try and cut this video a bit shorter, so that if you want to join the 50,000 subscriber treasure hunt giveaway, the links is in the description for DIYTube, and you can win RAM. Good server RAM. It's Kingston RAM. Last time I didn't have anyone complaining. I hope no one was complaining. I didn't get any complaints. So thank you very much for 50,000 subscribers, and I hope to see you around for 100,000 subscribers. That would be awesome. I would really like that silver play button. I think YouTube is they're gonna give up on that really soon. I'm not sure I'm ever gonna get that. They're probably just gonna, nah, too many is getting it. Yeah, it's taking too long for me. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.